Hi, who's this? Who are you? This is my son Wesley. Wesley's 5. And we have these new puppies. The 2 white lab puppies. One is Snow, one is Sonnie, and one is Sean. Look at that tail wagging. It's first time. Sonnie, yeah. It's the first time they're meeting my son. Look at that tail wagging. Hey, what do you want to just sit there and let them smell you?
What is this?
What is that? Ooh, that's their treats. You want to open it and give them some treats? They just got neuter and spayed, so they have their collar on.
Can people eat this?
I'm sure. Anything that you can eat, the dogs can eat. Those are the dog treats. Look at that. Do you want us to open it for you?
Okay.
Okay. Here, just pass it here. Oh, the puppies don't know how to open it.
Okay.
Okay, go. Give them some treats. Can you just go on the floor so I can see them. Don't move around too much. Okay.
Can I eat?
Yeah, try one then. They're just cookie. They're like cookies. Okay, go over and give them one each.
Yummy.
Yummy? Okay, well go give them one each.
They don't want it.
They don't want it.
I'll put it here.
They're so tired. I think they're gonna sleep. They play all day already.
I'm gonna eat some. I'm gonna eat some.
Okay, then you eat some.
If you buy this for them, they don't eat, then I'll finish.
Okay, you can have them.
Let me kiss this guy. Guys. Oh,
I think they ate some earlier. Maybe they're not hungry.
or maybe they don't. Maybe they're just little babies, so they don't know what is that.
Maybe they don't know what it is. No, I think they know. They're smart. Look at how cute they are.
I know they're smart, but I don't think they know. Can they eat or no?
Oh, okay.